Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, that, shayo, choco bow for the preserve.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Flo, back with another video, back with another hair tutorial video. Guys, today I want to show you how to achieve nice curls on your wigs, on your weaves also. I've applied a bit of serum on my hair, so it's ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to divide it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 8 pieces. Then I'm going to roll the socks and tie.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you the
First thing, I'm going to partition where I want it to be completely. I'm going to use my hands. Small section, you'll get a better result than using big section. Then I'm going to take my socks. I'm going to start rolling like this, tightly, 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 tightly. Then when I reach there, I'm going to tie it.
I don't know what it is, I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby?
This side,
At last, to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby.
take this. I start like this from the end. I come up, 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 up till where the waft is. Then I tie it.
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't make me wonder who
But since I want a lot,
playing with. Makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone.
It tight, make it tight, make it tight, make sure you make it tight.
What you got is good, that's why you refuse, let me walk out the light. What you got is good, that's why you refuse, let me walk out the light. What you got is good, that's why you refuse.
We want it to be equal. We don't want one side to be nicely waved and the other side. And make sure you comb. Make sure you comb and make it tight. And you can see we are not doing it like this. We are doing it anti-clockwise. To get nice curls, you need to do them anti-clockwise. You see, they are tight until you reach the end, then tie it.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on
And I'll
us.
just do the
You
rest.
can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you.
Already there's some curls and it's not even 5 minutes, so it shows there's a lot of potential. I'm just going to redo it.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna
Tata. Bye.
Let's take this overboard.
This is the final look after removing the socks, and I combed it a bit. I'm at the makeup studio, as you can see, and my face blends with the hair. These curls are perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you watch till the end, make sure you subscribe. Bye. See you in the next one. Love you.
Child.